A few days ago, while visiting a school, we heard a strange sound coming from this pipe. So we called animal control, who then sent the fire department to help us out. They stayed for hours, digging and trying different things to get it out, until finally the little critter showed up. And it was just a baby.
What are we doing with them?
And as if rescuing it wasn't already good enough, they asked us if we would take it home and care for it until we found a better place. And I knew it was cute, but what I didn't know is how sweet he was. He was also really hungry and tired, so we gave him lots of snuggles. And the best part is, we found the perfect place for him to continue his little life.